We'll just briefly talk about OneNote. It didn't seem to have too much into there. This is about as of a direct translation of just an actual scratch pad into the real world. And so I just want to show you what that looks like and maybe where Copilot can help clean up your existing OneNotes. I had taken a lot of random notes, and again, this is a very formatable. I can type different notes there and a whole different section. And so formatting can be a little bit scary sometimes in here. So maybe what I do is if I have my sales and finance sync and these are the notes that I took, I just kind of very quickly took those down because I forgot to turn on the Copilot notes like I should have. What I can do for that is I'll go ahead and delete this one here. Is I can select this box, hit my Copilot button there, and I can actually create a task list out of this. And so this is where Copilot can come into tandem with your OneNote if you are a user of this, or maybe transition a little bit from the paper into the digital here. And you can see that I've now got a really nice little to-do list that's been created. And if you're one of those people that likes that nice click and the checkbox exercise, a great way to go ahead and put that into place. As well as there's a lot of information into that, and I really don't have time, and the way that my brain works, I would prefer to summarize that. You can come into some of your existing workflows. Again, you can start new with OneNote if you've never used it, or if it's maybe a little bit, unmanaged, a little bit overgrown with the notes being here and there. Come into here and add a nice summary to it. And again, Copilot does a great job with the summary. The only other things that I'll mention is that, typing out massive amounts of notes can be a little bit tough sometimes, but if you do want to take advantage of your microphone, you can transcribe, record audio, and even just do live dictation to get that in there. And we are seeing these technologies rapidly evolve with the accuracy as far as using UK English or proper English that time around. As well as foreign languages. And so if you are working internationally with non-English speakers, a lot of these non-English speaking languages are working very, very well in Copilot. Please check those out if you're not familiar with them. Perfect. So that is OneNote.